Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS Route 53 hosted zones management step by step clearly. To enable AWS Route 53 hosted zones management, start by signing in to your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Route 53 service by using the search bar or selecting it from the Services menu. Once in the Route 53 dashboard, locate the Hosted Zones option in the left sidebar. Click on Hosted Zones to access the list of your existing hosted zones. If you do not have any hosted zones, you will need to create a new one. To create a new hosted zone, click on the Create Hosted Zone button. Fill in the details for your new hosted zone. Enter the domain name you wish to manage. Choose the type of hosted zone you need, either public or private. If you choose private, you must also select the VPC for your private hosted zone. After entering the necessary information, click on the Create Hosted Zone button. Once the hosted zone is created, you will be taken to its details page. Here, you will see a list of DNS records associated with your hosted zone. To add a new record, click on the Create Record button. Fill out the required fields for your new DNS record. You can specify different types of records, such as a name, MX, or TXT, depending on your needs. After inputting the details, click on the Create Records button to save your new record. To manage your hosted zone settings, click on the zone name from the Hosted Zones list. You can edit, delete, or create new records from this page as needed. Make sure to confirm that your domain's name servers are pointing to Route 53. This step is essential for ensuring that your hosted zone is properly integrated with your domain. You can find the name servers on the Hosted Zone Details page under the NS record. If you are migrating from another DNS provider, update your domain registrar settings to use these name servers. After making these changes, it may take some time for them to propagate across the internet. Once propagation is complete, your hosted zone management in Route 53 is fully enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.